Why don't I pull off into their funny parking lot? Well, folks, this is Steve A4L. I need to pull off to look at my SMS message, but I want to show you this. This is KFC on Dixie Drive in Asheville. Now, see what they got in the parking lot? Can you see it right there? See, they got a special zone around it. Now, why'd they do that? Why did they do that? Oh, I'm not doing too good with this driving. Excuse me. Why did they do that? I think I'm seeing another one, yes. Now, look at that one. Do you think they put it there to be pretty? And why did they cement up around this one? All right, I'm not going to answer it. I know the answer, because I know what's underneath the ground in the Piedmont. So why don't you put your guess in the comment? Steve A4L, just being a smart ass, saying see you in 73.